Shandong Tinwing Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is established in 2015. Professional and French fries production line, composite autoclave, vulcanizer, wood preservation equipment, mushroom sterilizer, food retort and other type autoclave. We are located in Zhucheng City, Shandong Province, China. We have 20,000 square meters workshop, have enough workers to support our clients. We have obtained CE, ASME, PED, NB, ISO certificates, have strict quality control system, good manufacturing process control system and inspection system. At the same time, we can design a reasonable solution for customers according to their requirements, provide the product's design, manufacturing, installation, commissioning, maintenance in the whole service line so as to provide good quality products to customers. High quality is our goal. Our machines are equipped with components made by Siemens, Schneider, SMC and HMI. All helps our users get the best work effects with the simplest operations. We also can do OEM and ODM orders. 24-hour service hotline offers our best services. Tinwing has developed steadily, and the turnover has increased year by year. Our products have been exported to many countries, such as America, Canada, Mexico, Peru, Australia, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Poland, United Kingdom, Spain, Pakistan, etc. We are glad to work together with you and provide